going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video, I have no idea what it's about. Today's video, we're just hanging out here in Hawaii. I don't know what we're going to do today. Probably just going to hang out by the beach or by the pool. It's hot, it's humid, you know, the weather's not all great here. But the view, I gotta say, is pretty nice over here. I gotta say, we don't have this much water in San Diego, that's for sure. A lot of the hotels in San Diego don't even have this kind of view. I've stayed in some hotels that have this view, but this is a pretty nice view. And then down below, oh man, ooh, I get a little butterflies over here when I look down. I guess that's where you eat, where you're gonna swim. Get a little jacuzzi over there. Your cabanas. I don't know, we just got in right now. Not really sure what to do, but I will say, in Hawaii, I cannot believe I have not seen one diesel yet here today. I mean, I haven't been here long, but I have seen probably 400 Toyota Tacomas and Tundras, but I have not seen one diesel truck at all. So now let's go, I guess, head to the pool, and I don't know, I'm not really like much of a pool person. Sitting laying by the pool, it's you know, it's okay, but it kind of gets boring for me eventually because, well, I don't like to sit. You know, I like to be on the move. You know, be active. You know, do stuff. So let's just go head down there and see. And then I know you guys want a tour of the room, I'm sure. Here's a tour of the room. You have your living room, couch. You have a bed that comes out of the wall over there. I don't know, the kids can jump and play on that if he wants. Hopefully we keep him locked in this cage. You got luggage everywhere over here. You got your little like mini bar, kitchen thing. I don't know what's going on. More luggage here. And then you got the main room. This is where I will be passing out right here. You know, I haven't even seen the view of this room, but yeah, it's just you know, it's just a bunch of kids stuff. You got bottles, and my son likes pistachios, and he likes his toys. He has to have 48 iPads for him in case this one dies. He's got his spare, then that one dies. You know, he got to have his iPad on the plane. You know, that one's mine, so we can't touch that one. So he's got to get his own. I have not seen the view from here. Actually, let's hold on. Let's check out the view from here. Okay, so same thing. More water and more. Okay, you got a little better angle of the pool right there. Pretty nice pool though, I gotta say. So we'll go head down to the pool now and see what's going on. Man, I can't believe how many people are in this water. I'm not much of an ocean guy, guys, either. I don't know. I think when I was looking out here, I could have swore I saw a great white just, you know, hanging out right over there. So we're gonna stay away from the ocean. We'll hang out by the beach and you know, by the pool over here. But be careful because there's like a pond over there, and I did see some massive goldfish. So we gotta, you know, be on the lookout. Where I'm going to have my meetings in the morning, and all of my where is it? Hold on. Oh, and reading all my diesel news. There we go. There it is. Look at that. And this thing also has. Oh, there it goes. I guess it's going through its cleaning mode. So you got a seat and emergency saver. Okay, I'm not really sure. What is it, like? Heat the seat for me, maybe. Oh, okay. I guess that's it. You got a remote here. Let's see what the. Oh, maybe it doesn't come off. Okay. Rear. You want your. Okay. If you want the rear soft. What the heck does this do? What is that thing? Pulsating. Okay, I don't know what the heck this thing does. Rear soft on front. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Anybody know what this thing is? You got your dial here. I don't know. I just want to come in here and just drop my deuce and, you know, be on my way. Okay, well, we'll figure that out later. Alright, well, let's go see. I haven't really walked around there. Let's see what's going on over there. This lobby is so hot. I don't know why, but they do not have any air conditioning. Well, I'm sure they do, but up here, the air conditioning is just off. And then look at this. It took me forever to figure out where in the hell the button was to open these elevators. Well, you know where it is? Right here, where nobody would ever look, or where I didn't look, but I've never seen that before. I always see them, you know, over there or on there. Never seen them on a wall like that. So I'm guessing this is like your infinity pool right here, because there's people walking in and it looks like you're just right in the ocean. So this is the adult pool section, it says, because and also there's no kids in here. Okay, here we go. We're getting somewhere now. I think so. There's two entrances, one on that side and this side, and I think this is yeah, the side to get to the pool right here. So it looks like you got your bidet over here for, I guess, your own pleasure. Here's the pool section where I was looking at. All right, here we go. Looks like I'm gonna be having some lunch here. Dang, look at this. There we go. That looks really good right there, guys. It is hot though out here. It's very humid. There's my son right there. It is very humid though out here, so this weather is not my type of weather. Finally found my son. He was over here playing with the pool. Hey, are you having fun, mister? Excuse me?
It's not a Ibiza.
Hey, Kane.
I know, it's syrup.
Kane, are you having fun? Okay. No response. Hello, homeboy. Nothing. And the time difference also, so in San Diego it's like 9 o'clock right now. I guess here it's sort of like Miami, East Coast time, 3-hour difference. So it's, I don't know, 6 o'clock right now over here. Hey, what do you do? Oh, okay. Let's see if he can get up. Oh, there you go. Are you okay? Hey, are you tired or what? Hello, talking to you. Are you hungry? You want some food? Oh, he's tired. I don't know. She brought me a water. It ain't no alkalate, but you know, I guess it still does have a pH balance of 7.7, so it's not 7 or 9. Yeah, but I guess it'll do. I don't know, Martin. This bottle looks pretty cool. No alkalator here, but hey, you know what? This will have to do. Look at the belly on that kid right there.
Yeah, come on,
oh, that's my son. I had nachos over there, and this big guy just came right over here. And this guy just straight up stole my nachos, just like that. I don't know if I should. I don't know if I should confront him or what, but I got no more nachos now. All right, guys, it is now the next morning here, day 2 in Hawaii with these weird elevators where you gotta push the button there. We're going to go get some breakfast. I don't think I showed you guys the breakfast yet, but we're gonna go get some breakfast. Gonna go head to the store. I guess all the stores here are called ABC. And then gonna head to the Apple store. Well, just stay tuned. I'll let you guys know about the headphones and what happened, the situation with the headphones that I got with or got into on the plane. So where we have breakfast. It is called Leah. You gotta pull, bro. Pull. It says pull, not push. There you go. Thank you, fine, sir. So this is the breakfast area where you eat. More water. Just a lot of water around here, really. All right, guys. Plate over here.
Are they swimming already?
You get your if you want egg. I don't really like eggs too much, so I'll pass on the eggs. French fries right now, man. Dang, what am I gonna have here? Bunch of fruit. Oh, donuts. Here we go. Gotta have some of these donuts right here. All right, we'll gotta do more than 2 at least. Do 3 of them for you guys. Oh, here we go. What is this? You make your own pancake?
Yeah, make some fresh.
Oh, all right. Make your own pancake. Well,
You can see it.
what? Where?
That little blob.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but I don't see anything.
You don't see the thing coming down? The little flat.
Oh, there it is, right. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, no, look right there. There you go. That's it? That's the size of them? Only like 40 of those things.
It's gonna take a long time.
It's making 1 of 2.
We eat the first one and then the second one comes out.
Oh, okay, perfect. I must have a donut while I wait here. Alright, now it's my turn for my pancake to come out. Look at that. Hold on, hold on. Come on. Really? Today? Just get off the paper already. Nice. Alright, well, I think we're gonna have to invest in one of these machines. Pop cake. Okay. Oh, here comes my other one. There we go. Oh, we got a little problem with the machine over there. gotta say, it's pretty cool. Pancake on a fly. Alright guys, now that breakfast has ended, we're here walking out of the hotel. Why? Because we're gonna go get some groceries. Or not groceries, what do we get? Alcohol? He needs some alcohol. And there's an Apple store, like I was telling you guys about my earbuds. So those earbuds, if you guys are going on a plane, do not use those things on a plane, because those earbuds or earpod or whatever the hell they're called by Apple suck. They're horrible. The audio is horrible on them, and it is not, they're not very, you know, the quality of them is, they're cheap. So if you're gonna go on a plane or you want anything noise canceling, do not use those things. I'm gonna get rid of them. Well, not get rid of them, I'll keep them for, you know, if I gotta make a phone call, but I'm not gonna go get on this plane with them. Oh, here it is, right here. So that's what we're gonna go do right now. It's a walking distance. It says about 6 minutes, so we'll see. Yeah, and they got a lot of nice stores. Oh, they got Ferragamo. There's a bunch of stores here, guys, called ABC. I don't know what this ABC is, but they're everywhere. Oh, CBD sold here. Okay, yeah, yeah. Oh, here you go. Should we get some Jack?
Yeah, that's what I think.
Jack Daniels, or some Fireball, some Henny.
They got good stuff.
They got some Blue Label. Damn, they got some good stuff here.
Not that expensive.
Wow. Yeah, we should get some Blue Label. Woo! Martin, aka Mr. Alkalator, you're lagging over here, bro. Look at all this water. Look, I'm stuck drinking some Aquafina. I mean, they got no alkalate here. This is ridiculous. But I gotta say, this ABC store in Hawaii is it's very nice. Here you go, D-Max Rhino. You want some Bang? They got some Star Blast, purple guava up here, cotton candy. What the hell, cotton candy? Blue Raz, Sour Heads. All right, that sounds good. Dang, they got all. Oh, here you go. This is Ryan's favorite one right here. Rainbow Unicorn, just for you, bro. And some Regen. Okay, we got our liquor. We're good. They didn't have enough bags, so we got. They gave us a nice little Maui box here. We're gonna go back to the room, put them up there. This will be for later today when we have our cigars, and then we're going to head back to the Apple store. And hopefully they got some nice headphones over there. I must say, this is a very sad place to live. I haven't seen one diesel since I've been here. I know I've only been here for 2 days, but I mean, there's nothing. Now, if you want a Toyota, you'll find about 4,000 of them in just one block. All right, now, oh yeah, right here, we're on a Rodeo Drive over here. Now that we've dropped off the alcohol, we're here on, what street is this? Waikiki Street?
Rodeo Drive.
I don't know, we're not sure what street this is, but this place is amazing. Besides the weather sucks. I feel like I'm back in Miami with this humidity. But they got like Tory Burch, Ferragamo. They got, who?
I don't know.
Oh, we're on Kalakua Street.
There's the Apple store.
And there's the Apple store. I mean, they got everything here. So, gotta say, for us being on like an island, this island's pretty packed. Foot Locker, oh, we're gonna have to check out some new shoes. Why don't you look at sandals over there, see if there's any. Instead of those Hawaii ones you just bought that look like they're not gonna fit. Yeah, we're gonna have to maybe do a little shopping over here. Fendi, there you go. Look at that. And they got all kinds of stuff here. Hawaii's got it going down. So this is another thing, guys, that's killing us. This is time difference. So back home, it's, you know, I want to say 1 o'clock. Right now, it's still 10 o'clock here. And we got here and the Apple store's closed. They're having their little team meeting over there. I don't know if you guys can see them. So I think they're talking about, you know, how to make some more money over there at the Genius Bar. Okay, guys, so ended up going with the Bose speakers. Well, reason I looked at the Bose and looked at the Beats. And the Beats one, they had just like way too much bass. They weren't as clear. And also they didn't have any noise canceling. They just, when I put them both together, put the Beats, put the Bose on, the Bose just were very clear and sounded much better. You know, if I was you guys and you want something clear for movies and stuff, go with the Bose. The Beats they're kind of falling back. Not really happy with the Beats. Oh, they brought another bed?
Yeah, this is the one that Hannibal Lecter sleeps on.
Oh, yeah, that's where you get strapped down. There you go. So so this right here, guys, if you guys don't subscribe to Eddie's Life channel, you will get strapped to this bed right here.
You have to sleep standing up on this. That's what the strap is for.
There you go. I gotta get one for your legs though.
Yeah, you like this and then...
Perfect. Then I turn my shocker on. This is excellent. What in the... Okay, well, there you have it, guys. We're going to end today's vlog, day 1. I'm gonna go find that guy that stole my nachos. Go get my nachos back. But we're gonna end today's vlog, day 1 here in Hawaii, and gonna go head down to the pool or the beach. I think one of the two. We got some, bought some chairs down there. So I believe they are right down here somewhere. Hey, Pablo, how you doing? Or should I call you Castro?
Pinche idea.
So I think we got some chairs down there. Not sure which ones they are, but man, I gotta say the water down here is incredible. It's very, very clear.
Smoking cigars.
Yeah, you smell the cigar? Well, we're gonna light up. Don't worry. I brought plenty of cigars. But the water is extremely clear down here. The weather, if you guys have been to Miami, well, I feel like I'm in Miami. So not the weather's not that great, but so far so good. But that's all I got for you guys. We're going to end it with the nice ocean view back here. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.